Hello and welcome back. With the cold weather approaching, I put aside my 3D printer as I cannot manage the proper ventilation of the room it's in. I usually left the balcony door and windows open when it was warmer, but with the snowy season upon us, it's not possible anymore. I printed a couple of figures before cleaning up all the devices for their winter beauty sleep, and I hope I can show you how I managed to paint and assemble them. Something exciting is coming up next week, so please check back to the channel, like and subscribe so that you never miss another video. Now today we will have another unboxing, the Bandai Spirits Ichiban Kuji Princess Serenity figure from the so-called Princess Collection. That's quite a mouthful. Anyway, I don't have a Serenity figure yet, and I really wanted one, so I decided for this. It's very pretty and kinda follows the aesthetic of the new Crystal series rather than the old one. My only problem with it is that it's small, like actually tiny. Compared to the glitter and glamorous figures, it's incredibly tiny. I'm just slightly disappointed. The box is pretty, the painting is very nice, the face looks lovely. I think the figure as a whole looks very charming when it's not surrounded by anything else, like putting it on a desk or something. But when there are other figures surrounding it, it's simply lost among all the bigger figures. And that's just not the only problem. For a small 13 centimeter tall figure, the price is shockingly high, like in the 4, 5 or 6 thousands of yens. And if you think about it, for that, you might get 2 or 3 glitter and glamour figures which are equally detailed and beautiful, but large. Nevertheless, if you're a fan of Sailor Moon, or Serenity in particular, or have a friend who really likes this character, this is the perfect gift for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.